So second working set natin, sir, row tayo, dumbbell natin, tapos set natin yung weight ng 10 to 20 pounds tayo. So ito yung form natin. Gagamit tayo ng bench pang anchor sa weight natin. So from here, yan. Dito muna si dumbbell sa baba. Paan natin pantay. Okay? Tapos lengthen yung legs natin. Lock natin or slight bend para mas stable tayo. Alright? Then, one hand nasa bench. Tapos, ito yung gusto nating ng back natin. Okay? Flat back. Okay? Hindi nakaganon. Hindi naka-arch na nakaganyan tayo. Ganyan. Okay? So, kung mabibigatan tayo sa resistance ko, pwede tayo mag-cut ng konti. So, 10 repetitions tayo dito. 10 each arm. So, one hand at a time. So, motion natin. Elbows. And from here, so pendulum, lock lang natin maigi. Up. Inhale down. Exhale up. Okay? So pull the dumbbell towards your shoulder. Alright? So inhale. Exhale up. Slow, slow, slow. Exhale up. Okay? So yung motion natin is pag ganito pa. Okay? So imagine, nakaganyan ako. Pakita ko. Elbows nice and wide. Okay? It's a wide open row. Alright? So, kung dalawang kamay po yan, pag ganun siya. Okay, so isa, kunyari ito, nasa bench, bench, tapos pag ganun. Okay, elbows, push forward natin yung elbows, pag ganun pa. Push forward. Okay, hindi siya dito. Forward, level ng shoulders natin yung elbow. So, exhale, inhale down, exhale it, all the way up. So, working yung up, top part ng back natin. Posterior delts, shoulders, tsaka yung traps. Okay, yan yung mga focus niya. So, 10 per arm, then 4 sets tayo. Okay pa?